This video explains how to work out the angles on a straight line. Here is a straight line. We have three angles, X, Y and Z. They all touch at one point on the straight line, here. If I drew a semicircle, half a circle, it would cover all three of the angles. So as long as on your straight line you have angles that touch at a point, the same point, and you can draw a semicircle around them, we know that those angles will always add up to 180 degrees. And the rule is the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Here is an example of a question you can get. There is your straight line. The two angles touch at one point. So we know that X plus 30 has got to add up to 180. So what number do we add to 30 to make 180? The easiest way to do that is 180 take away 30, and that will give you 150. So 150 for X plus this 30 will equal 180. So the answer is X equals 150. Here is another example. This time the straight line is vertical. Again, the three angles touch at a point. We can draw a semicircle, half a circle, round the three angles. So this time the 40 and the 60 and the X must equal 180 degrees. Now 40 plus 60 is 100, and then we've got the X must equal 180 degrees. So 100 plus whatever X is must equal 180. So what do we add on to 100 to make 180? We add on 80, or 180 take away 100. Here is the final example. This time we have two angles here that are on the straight line, touching at the point. There is another angle over here, but it doesn't touch the straight line at the same point as these two. There is my semicircle. So it is only those two that add up to 180 degrees. So X plus 55 equals 180. 180 take away 55 will give us what X is, and that is 125. You can use your calculators for that.